Grandmother, someone is at the door.
Yes, Mia, I will check the door. Look, Mia and Deepak, your aunt and uncle have come.
Hi, please come in. I'm so happy you could come to help us for Mia's play.
Come on, Mia, let's practice your lines. You need to be ready for tomorrow's play.
I will, but after playing with Deepak.
No, Mia, you must practice the lines. I will also help you. Let's do it together.
Okay, then let me go and get the sheet with the lines.
Come sit here. I will help you, Mia.
Oh, I forgot that I also need to prepare my costume for the play.
Don't worry, your mother and aunt will make the costume for you. Mia forgot about her costume for the play tomorrow. What can we do now?
Don't worry, Mama. Mia forgot that she had already informed me a few days back and I had started making her costume. I have to give a few final touches and the costume will be ready. Now that Rima has come, I will finish it now.
Sure, then Mia could try it on.
Father, I also need a cardboard sword and a paper crown for the play tomorrow. Can you help me with it?
Sure, Mia. We will make the sword and the crown. Mia, check if you need anything else.
No, that is all I need, Uncle.
Okay, let's do this then. Ask Deepak to get his art kit and come here.
Okay. Deepak, Father is calling you. He needs your art kit.
Okay, are you making something?
Yes, we are going to make my sword and crown for tomorrow's play.
That sounds so interesting. Can I also help?
Of course. This looks so beautiful. I can't wait to show it to Seema.
Seema will be here in some time. Then you could show it to her.
Yes.
Now continue coloring your sword, else how will you show it to her?
Yes, Papa.
You look good in the costume, Mia.
Thank you.
You don't look so happy. What happened?
I was supposed to practice my lines, but then I got busy making the crown and the cardboard sword. Now I'm a bit scared to perform tomorrow.
Don't worry, I'm here. I can help you with your lines.
Oh, thanks a lot, Seema. I was getting really nervous.
It's all right. I'm sure you will do well tomorrow. Now shall we start practicing the lines?
Yes.